Hear me? Good morning.
Hi, Veka, can hear you slightly?
Yes. Okay, all right, that's better. Just some reaction from the markets to the news of South Africa slipping into a technical recession.
I mean, it was really bad for the rand yesterday. I mean, it slumped to over 3%. At the close of trade, it was done at 15 rand 37. It's picked up slightly this morning to 15 rand 29. But in terms of the market yesterday, the JSE was all red. The all-share index was down over 1%. The top 40 was down over 1%. Giant retailers like Foschini, Truworths were also down on the day. MTN, I mean, it's been struggling since the news from Nigeria. It was also down, and some of the financials were also down on the back of the news that the economy had gone into a recession unexpectedly.
And I suppose, Dima, there's been lots of comparison made to it, and this word coming up all over again, the Ramaphoria, the buoyant market mood after President Cyril Ramaphosa took over the reins, to what disappointment he might be actually seeing or have been feeling since this news broke, because, I mean, he expected, that was his aim, that's his mission, is to just work on this economy.
I can't hear you properly, Iveka, but I mean, if you're referring to the whole Ramaphoria issue at the beginning of the year, that seems to have faded away. I mean, we have a lot of issues in South Africa, key among them being investor confidence, and a huge contributor to that is the land issue, the fact that there is no clarity on what's going to happen to property rights. So that is a huge a factor in terms of investor confidence into the economy. Just going back to the issue of the rand, it's going to be a tough balancing act for the Reserve Bank in terms of what to do with the monetary policy in the coming weeks, because you've got the economy now into recession, but also you've got the rand, which is at weak levels. So it's going to be a tough balancing act as to how to support the rand with the weak economy. It's going to be a tough going forward. Some analysts are saying that things will probably start getting better after the elections next year.
Thanks very much, Dimakatso Thugwana, outside the JSE there, just bringing us some market reaction. We'll let